The river never rushes, yet it reaches the sea. Mountains don't compete, they simply rise. The wind whispers secrets only patience can hear. Fog teaches us that clarity is worth waiting for. The moon doesn't ask permission to shine. Raindrops fall softly, yet they carve valleys over time. Sunlight finds its way through even the darkest canopy. Even stones grow old gracefully, shaped by the flow of time. Morning light dances on water, reminding us that beauty is in the present. The ocean hides its scars beneath waves, yet it teaches us that strength can be quiet and unseen. A single leaf falling reminds us that letting go can be the most beautiful act of all.